How can you make a few $1 billion? Creating a billion-dollar business isn't just a walk in the park. It requires more than just a brilliant idea or a groundbreaking product. It demands the assembly of a team of individuals who not only possess the right skills, but also embody a shared vision and ethos. This article delves into the intricacies of forming such teams and elucidates the key principles behind their success. At the heart of this endeavor lies a proactive approach to recruitment. Traditional hiring practices often focus solely on candidates' qualifications and technical prowess. However, to build a truly cohesive and high-performing team, it's essential to look beyond resumes and delve into the values, culture, and long-term objectives of the organization. This means redesigning the recruitment process to prioritize a holistic understanding of the company's ethos. It entails identifying candidates whose values align with those of the company, fostering a sense of belonging and commitment from the outset. Achieving this requires a meticulous selection process that goes beyond assessing technical skills. Each stage of the recruitment process should be designed to evaluate candidates' temperament, adaptability, problem-solving abilities, communication skills, and capacity to collaborate effectively within a team. By adopting a comprehensive approach to selection, organizations can ensure they're not only hiring the most qualified candidates but also those best suited to contribute to the team's success. The foundation of a high-performing team rests on four essential qualities: intelligence, hunger, integrity, and collegiality. Intelligence goes beyond academic credentials. It encompasses the ability to think critically, creatively solve problems, and make informed decisions. Hiring individuals with diverse perspectives and a propensity for innovation can catalyze transformative change within the organization. Hunger refers to the relentless drive and ambition that propels individuals to continuously strive for excellence. It's this innate desire to push boundaries and surpass expectations that fuels creativity, fosters productivity, and ultimately drives the organization toward its goals. Integrity forms the bedrock of trust and reliability within the team. It's about adhering to ethical principles, maintaining transparency, and fostering an environment of mutual respect and accountability. Teams built on a foundation of integrity are better equipped to navigate challenges and achieve sustainable success. Collegiality underscores the importance of cohesive teamwork and harmonious interpersonal relationships. By fostering an inclusive and supportive work environment, organizations can harness the collective strengths of their team members, foster collaboration, and enhance overall productivity. In addition to recruitment, effective performance management is vital for sustaining team productivity and cohesion. By differentiating team members based on performance and attitude, organizations can identify areas for improvement, provide targeted mentoring and training, and ultimately cultivate a culture of continuous growth and development. Moreover, a well-structured compensation strategy plays a pivotal role in attracting and retaining top talent. By offering competitive salaries and performance-based incentives, organizations can incentivize employees to align their efforts with the company's objectives and foster a culture of meritocracy. Building a billion-dollar business is undeniably challenging, but with the right team and strategic approach, it's an achievable feat. By prioritizing values-aligned recruitment, fostering a culture of excellence and integrity, and investing in performance management and compensation strategies, organizations can cultivate high-performing teams capable of driving sustainable growth and innovation. So, in summary, embarking on the path to billion-dollar success hinges on crafting a strategic team with traits that go beyond mere skill sets. This journey necessitates patience throughout the recruitment process, coupled with a sharp focus on key attributes such as intelligence, ambition, integrity, and collegiality. Implementing a well-defined performance management strategy and offering incentivized compensation packages are instrumental in fostering a positive and productive team dynamic, ultimately propelling the organization toward unprecedented financial achievements. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on this video right over here.